Concerning the first, the vidyadhara level of maturation, the body we have right now is mature because it is a result of past karma. Our previous karmic deeds compelled our consciousness to take the form of the human body we now possess. It is the form of the ripening or maturation of past karma. If one reaches the vidyadhara level of maturation, it is said that the mind matures into the form of the deity, while keeping the body that is the maturation of karma. We still look like a human being, but our consciousness has matured into the deity. Therefore, at the very moment of death, the human body is left behind while the mind becomes the deity. The practitioner, who has reached the first vidyadhara level, immediately goes to a pureland in the form of a deity at the time of death.